Hello, and welcome to the channel. Today I will show you how to easily disable notifications from the Expedia app on your mobile phone. If you find the alerts distracting or unnecessary, this quick guide will help you manage your app notifications effectively. Let's get started. First, locate the Expedia app icon on your mobile device's home screen or app drawer. Next, press and hold the Expedia app icon until a menu appears. Then, tap on App Info or App Details depending on your phone model. After that, look for the option labeled Manage Notifications and tap it. Finally, toggle off the switch to disable all notifications from the Expedia app. That's all there is to it. Now, you won't receive any more notifications from Expedia on your phone. If this video helped you, please like, comment, and subscribe for more useful tips and tricks. Thanks for watching,